Hi everyone, today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to change your username in Windows 10. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay guys, if you want to change your username in Windows 10, simply go to this PC icon in your desktop, as you can see here. Right click and select manage. Okay, here guys, in the left pane, look at local users and groups. Double click, expand, click users, go in the right pane, as you can see here. This one, name user, it's my user. I want to create another one or change my user account. So simply guys, right click, click new user, type the name of the new user, as example user1. Okay, password. Okay, confirm password. Okay, when you finish, click create, close. As you can see, we have now a new user, user1. In the new user, user1, right click, click properties, member of, click add, select advanced. Okay, find now and select administrators, as you can see. Then okay, that's mean this user have a full control or full security. It's a member of administrators users. When you finish, click OK. Okay guys, that's it. Now we have a new user, user1, with password 124. You can here also set new password, or change the password. Okay, let's now sign out and sign in with the new one. Okay, sign out. Okay, here guys, as you can see, we have now two users. Click user1, type a password 124, enter. As you can see, that's it. The Windows initiate the new user. Or new account. Okay guys, okay, that's it guys. As you can see, now we have a new account or new user. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.